Hi everyone, it's Els here on Technique Friday. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Oyster Shell card with the pop-up, and I'm using the mermaid and various dies from the collection. So I'm going to show you some samples first because this is really a super cool set. So I have a card here. So it has a pop-up element. I'm going to show you that in a second. This is one, I think. Yeah, this is from Anita. Look at that. The other one was made by Josette. There's another one from Anita. And then here I have a super simple one just with the fun little crab. That crab is so much fun. He's adorable. So let me show you the die set. So this is the die set. So it comes with the shell and then it has these elements in there. So you have the pop-up piece, kind of this piece here, and then a pearl. So let me show you. So that pop-up piece you can use in different ways, like so as Anita put it on the card here, direct on the card, and then covered with the background. And here she has that pearl here, kind of, so you can use it in different ways. So if you look at this card, let me show you. If you look at this card, you see Josette used that element with the pop-up in there, so you don't get any side here from the pop-up piece. So you can use it different ways. Let me show you and explain you. So this is the piece just die cut, and this is it with a pop-up piece in there. So what you do, you die cut it, you score a line, you take your pop-up piece, you put it exactly on the score line and run it through, and then you have your pop-up piece that you can use in your card like this. You see, so then now you don't have anything on the outside that shows you have the pop-up there. You can also score it in a different way and use it on a regular card, of course. So this is just a little square card. And here I scored it the long way, put that pop-up piece on there. So now I have a pop-up in my card here, and I can attach, like the little turtle here, on that pop-up piece. So you can use it in many different ways. That's why we put this separate as well, so you can be creative with it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the shell card, and I'm going to put that pop-up piece in there using our double-sided adhesive. Because you don't want to put double-sided adhesive before you die cut, because of course you never want double-sided adhesive on that pop-up piece. So I'm just going to add a few pieces of the adhesive. Always like in the center where the fold is, and then if I put two pieces here, I should be ready to go. And then of course you're going to remove the liner. And now I'm going to put that pop-up piece in. So what I intend to do, kind of fold it. Then I just lift this up a bit and I put it in here like on the folds. And then just close it. And then I have it in here. You see, so now I have my card ready to be assembled. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to decorate the outside in this case as well. So depending on if you use double-sided cardstock, of course, you can just cut that. So depending on what cardstock you use, you decorate it on the outside as well. So what I did, I took decorated paper and I cut it with the tape on the back. And then I'm going to trim it in half, because you don't want to fold it around here, because that's never going to look nice. So you just trim it here. Of course, you see a very good score line. And I'm just going to trim it. You can use paper trim, but it's very easy to kind of follow the embossed line there. So now I have two pieces, and I'm just going to attach those to the front and the back. So I take off the liner, and now of course it's very important to line it up nicely. So what I like to do, I kind of pull this back a bit. I like to fold it open so I don't get distracted by what I see here maybe. So fold it open, and then I'm going to lean in and stick it on there. Now I'm going to just pull this. And now I have one side, and then I'm going to do the other side the same way. So fold it open again. There we go. And now I have my shell on both sides of the card. How cool is that? It's such a great base for a card. And then you can just start decorating. I have a few elements. I will put something in there, but it was mostly to show you the possibilities with the pop-up card. So I have a few elements here. And to do that, I'm going to take the Kids Choice glue. I'm just Just take a little bit on my finger. So this going on here. And now I know I should not close it now because I know I have some glue there. So while I build it and then just leave it to dry. How cool do you think kids like this card? They absolutely will love it. It's such a fun card. And of course you can put all the elements. So you can put the crab, you can put the turtle in there. Well, should I do the turtle now? I think I'm going to use the mermaid. Turtle can go in the back as well. They're just so much fun to work with, and our grandkids absolutely love this. But I have to honestly say, I love these myself as well. And you see now I can put this on here. And just put some glue on the tail. There you go. And a little mermaid, so it has a crown, it has a little bow in there. It has two types of hair, so you can do different types of hair in there as well. Let's put some seaweed in the back. And then in the front you can decorate it with different things as well. And because it's seaweed, because it kind of needs to have some movement, I'm not going to put a lot of glue on there, because I like it better when it has when it sticks up a little bit, kind of comes up a little bit. So it gives some extra dimension on there. So let's see. Let's see it like this. Yeah, I'm going to put something here, and then we can put some fish in the back as well. I think one is enough. And then I can decorate the front as much as I want to as well. So now this card, now I can close it carefully because it's still the adhesive is drying, like the glue is drying. But now you have a cute little pop-up card. So let me show you the cards again. And you can see you will have so much fun with this one. And needless to say as well, that you can just use it without a pop-up as well. So this will make a really nice card for anything you have that's kind of nautical. So here are the other ones. So I have the crab here. I made them in glitter. Then I have this one. So you see, so you can add some extra elements here. That's all from the same line. And then I have this one. That's, you know, shells on there, the mermaid, the little crab, the treasure chest. That's just a lot in there, which is so cool. And then we have this one as well. How fun are these? Love these. So thank you for watching. You can find more inspiration on our Facebook page, Facebook groups and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest video. See you next time.